Massage therapy has become increasingly popular among athletes as a way to improve performance and speed up recovery. Athletes push their bodies to the limit, and massage therapy can help to reduce muscle soreness, increase flexibility, and prevent injuries. Regular massage therapy sessions can help athletes maintain their physical health by improving blood flow, reducing tension in the muscles, and helping to break up scar tissue. Additionally, massage can promote the release of endorphins, which can reduce pain and improve mood. Massage therapists who specialize in working with athletes can tailor their treatments to focus on specific areas of the body that are prone to injury or overuse. They can use techniques such as deep tissue massage, trigger point therapy, and myofascial release to help athletes recover from injuries and prevent future ones. Overall, massage therapy can be an essential tool for athletes looking to improve their performance and recovery. By incorporating massage into their training regimen, athletes can keep their bodies in top shape and perform at their best. Please like and subscribe. Click on the link around or below this video for more info. Thanks, and have a great day.